Your flight has landed. You're tired. It's late. You finally reach the hotel. You drop your bag, and the person at the desk smiles and says, "Good evening. Do you have a reservation?" And all you want is to sleep, but the words won't come. Never again. After today's lesson, you can check into a hotel, ask for what you need, fix a problem in your room, and check out, all in English. Hello, and welcome back to Lessons. This is day 14 of our 30-day English practice challenge, and today we check into a hotel, in English. Remember how this works. I say every phrase, and after it there is a pause. That pause is for you. Say the phrase out loud. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Checking in. You reach the front desk. The person will ask if you booked a room. Answer with this easy sentence. I have a reservation. Repeat after me. I have a reservation. A reservation means you booked the room before, online, or by phone. Then, tell them your name. My name is Anna Silva. And say how long you are staying. I'm staying for 2 nights. Repeat after me. I'm staying for 2 nights. 2 nights, 3 nights, 1 week. Just change the number. I'm staying for 1 week. Part 2. Questions to ask. Before you go to your room, ask the important questions. Number 1, very useful in the morning. What time is checkout? Repeat after me. What time is checkout? Checkout is the time you must leave the room on your last day. Usually 11 or 12. Number 2, everybody's favorite question. Is breakfast included? Repeat after me. Is breakfast included? Included means it's part of the price. You don't pay extra. And number 3, the most important thing in the modern world. What's the Wi-Fi password? Repeat after me. What's the Wi-Fi password? Part 3. A problem with your room. You go up to your room, but something is wrong. Don't worry. You can fix it with 1 sentence. Just call the front desk. There's a problem with my room. Repeat after me. There's a problem with my room. Then, say what the problem is. Very common one. The air conditioning isn't working. Repeat after me. The air conditioning isn't working. Isn't working means it's broken. The TV isn't working. The shower isn't working. The key isn't working. Same pattern, every problem. And sometimes you just need something small. Can I have extra towels, please? Repeat after me. Can I have extra towels, please? Extra means more. Extra towels, extra pillows, and extra blanket. Easy to ask, and they're happy to help. Part 4. Asking the front desk. The people at the desk know everything about the city. Use them. Ask for a recommendation. Can you recommend a good restaurant? Repeat after me. Can you recommend a good restaurant? Recommend means to tell you a good one. Can you recommend a good restaurant? A good cafe? A nice place to visit? Next, when you want to go somewhere. How do I get to the city center? Repeat after me. How do I get to the city center? And when you need a ride, can you call a taxi for me? Repeat after me. Can you call a taxi for me? Part 5. Checking out. Your trip is over. It's time to leave. Go to the desk and say this. I'd like to check out, please. Repeat after me. I'd like to check out, please. They may give you the bill. That's the paper with the price. If you want to see it, ask, can I have the bill, please? Repeat after me. Can I have the bill, please? And here's a very useful one. Maybe your flight is late tonight, but checkout is at noon. Where do your bags go? Ask this. Can I leave my bags here? Repeat after me. Can I leave my bags here? They keep your bags safe, and you enjoy your last day, hands-free. Finally, end with something kind. Thank you. I had a great stay. Repeat after me. Thank you. I had a great stay. Part 6. Real conversation. The whole check-in, from hello to your room. First, just listen. Good evening. Welcome. Do you have a reservation? Good evening. Yes, I have a reservation. My name is Anna Silva. Thank you, Miss Silva. You're staying for 2 nights, is that right? Yes, that's right. Is breakfast included? Yes, breakfast is from 7 to 10. Here is your key. You're in room 204. Thank you. What's the Wi-Fi password? It's on the card with your key. Enjoy your stay. Thank you so much. Here is your challenge for today. In the comments, be the guest. Write one thing you would ask at a hotel. Maybe is breakfast included? Or what's the Wi-Fi password? Or tell me, what is the most important thing in your hotel room? Good Wi-Fi? A big bed? A quiet room? I read the comments, and I will reply to you. Day 14. Complete. You did a great job today. 2 weeks of practice. Look how far you've come. If this lesson helped you, press the like button and subscribe for day 15. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.